Hello guys, in this lesson we are going to learn how to make transitions effect. So I have an example cartoon video here. In order to do that, I need to first split up a bit this transition because I don't want to make the effect to the whole of the video. I just want to make the transition effect on a sample specific part. I'm coming over to transitions right here on the tools section. So you can see all the types here: movements, objects, stylized. You can categorize your transitions regarding on your interests, but I want to see all of the transitions right here. And I need to try this one, for example, fade. I used fade. As you see, it's coming out with a black shadow. It's like, and I want to remove this. I'm just making right click on my mouse and command to remove all transitions. Remove. I need to add this flip transition this time. It's a bit flipped when it passed to the other sample. Yeah, other part. So if I want to make the fold effects, I'm adding this as well. It's like when you open a book page, this transition will affect the page. Don't ripple, slide right, edit this as well. The sliding going to the right. Also you can choose the slide left. It will slide to the left. Duration would be 1 or 2 seconds. So as you see, there are a lot of transitions here. For example, glow, I added it. Yeah, this is kind of different. This kind of blurred scene at first. Yeah, blurred scene then comes over getting more clear the screen. As you see, there are a lot of transitions effects you can add. You can try all of them one by one. Blinds, for example, try this one from the beginning. Yeah, it's like a movie section here. You can add transitions at the beginning, at the end, or in the middle of the project. So you can make a lot of transitions. You can try all of them. There are a lot of options. Also you can download other stuff from online. But these transitions will definitely help you to modify your video, I guess. Making transitions on your video will help you to make effective passages on your video parts.